lah nang sana serpo foto isi bang. Kau dah sah. Di kau nang bang. Kali man. Ini apa contoh? Kamat tha dah right ni apa? Nanti mana right? Di pu mana bang tang bang karbi club hai malam. 1974. Jaha katung bangke, Charlie rong ajo tame arta komen penan gitu ada jok yutang pito bang sing arcelam. Lasi sitame ning dok bangke made ning karong bang lalo pening bangke apang ben project alang letum gitu ke dam disiplin lapen jutang pito me mitang pendeng sumpot pendang lok lapen dak nang kili pen alang letum same mitang jutang ajuban lo pen alang letum same ardi dojot pen ke kan kilun dame cepati ponlo murong etong pendang lok leke hot pendang lok same alang letum mesen besi sai pachun ponlo lapen dak pining la thongke bresi hamren hawar karbi zonal festival abang ke abang hutin reception committee long lapen sel committee dum da tame nilitum ke claim ke dam same ching repeat pen se claim lo lapen kisung si hini da tame nilitum da kali tum asiam doktor turam lo hang ta pada me chuniri polo la so teng balang le tame nang lang do lo la si non pini dang abang ke non amat ke kichun ponjia sai si do lo tuning pen pining ke prek bang tuning abang ke botor alam ta henu chet lo pining abang botor ram chet lo lapen tuning abang pen prek odolo dak kaprek non akimi exhibition store tame dolo pendeng support ke jol pendang lok lapen market tame pining abang participant ong chelo lapen kidam tang abang ke film society tum tame lang
then agricultural practices, then this waterfalls. Please try to develop the tourism industry over here. We'd love to visit if it will become a beautiful tourist destination.
Oh, ma'am, have you visited the Fort Alongso?
No, not yet. But I will definitely visit.
What about road condition, ma'am?
It's a little bit pathetic. I think your Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is taking initiative to make it a smooth road. Obviously, then tourists will visit. They will visit here frequently. Okay, thank you.
I'm very lucky enough to attend this youth festival. Although I'm not so familiar with Karbi rituals, Karbi cultures, but I came to know whenever I got the chance to assimilate with Karbi people, I got lucky to meet the Richo and MSC sir, and this event, Karbi Youth Festivals, is very fascinating and very lively. People are very hospitable. They are very lovely people. They always welcome tourist, guest, and although I have come first, this is my first visit, I feel like I know them for several years. They are very loving, they are very warm people, and this people are dress is very beautiful dress, male, female both dresses are very beautiful. They look beautiful, the culture is beautiful, and there's artifacts. I also collect some artifacts. I love to collect. Karbi artifacts is also very good. Thank you.
Your good name, please?
No, actually, my name is Pyo Singh. I'm a teacher actually. So I'm also from Sraidev. And today we got a chance to visit this place, this very beautiful youth festival that your community have organized. So we are very thankful to your people that they give us hospitality, and we got to know many things from them. And today we also visited your king's house also. We met him, and we are so lucky for that also. and I think this Karbi festival has done has has played a very important role to promote the Karbi culture in